Welcome to Purexy. Are you searching for delicious foods that won't derail your calorie count? Look no further. In this video, we're going to explore a range of delectable foods that are not only packed with flavor but also contain almost zero calories. Whether you're looking for guilt-free snacks or ingredients to incorporate into your meals, these options will leave your taste buds satisfied while keeping your calorie intake in check. Absolutely. It's always important to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any medical concerns or specific health conditions. Remember, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not replace personalized medical advice. So, let's dive into the world of delicious, low-calorie foods and find out how you can savor the flavors without compromising your dietary goals. 1. Leafy greens. Leafy greens are a nutritional powerhouse and one of the most delicious foods that contain almost zero calories. These vibrant and verdant vegetables, such as spinach, kale, lettuce, and arugula, are not only low in calories but also packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They offer a refreshing crunch and a variety of flavors that can elevate any dish. Leafy greens are rich in nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate, which support immune function, promote healthy skin, and contribute to overall well-being. Their high fiber content aids digestion, helps maintain a healthy weight, and keeps you feeling full for longer. Whether enjoyed in salads, sautéed as a side dish, or used as a wrap substitute, leafy greens are a versatile and satisfying addition to your meals. 2. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are a delightful addition to our list of delicious foods that contain almost zero calories. These vibrant and crunchy vegetables come in various colors, including red, yellow, and green. Not only do bell peppers add a pop of color to your dishes, but they also offer a range of health benefits. Beyond their delicious taste, bell peppers are an excellent source of vitamins A and C, providing antioxidant properties that support immune function and promote healthy skin. They are also low in calories and high in water content, making them a great choice for those watching their calorie intake. Furthermore, bell peppers are rich in fiber, which aids digestion and helps you feel satisfied after a meal. 3. Strawberries. Strawberries are a delightful and guilt-free addition to our list of delicious foods that contain almost zero calories. These juicy and vibrant berries are not only irresistibly sweet but also incredibly nutritious. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, strawberries offer a range of health benefits. Strawberries are low in calories and high in water content, making them a satisfying choice for those watching their calorie intake. They are an excellent source of vitamin C, which supports the immune system and promotes collagen production for healthy skin. Additionally, strawberries are rich in dietary fiber, promoting healthy digestion and helping you feel full for longer. 4. Zucchini. Zucchini belongs to the cucurbitaceae family, which includes other members such as pumpkins and cucumbers. It is native to Central and South America but is now cultivated and enjoyed worldwide. One of the key benefits of zucchini is its high water content, which helps to keep you hydrated. Staying hydrated is essential for overall health and supports various bodily functions. Zucchini is also a great source of antioxidants, including vitamin C and beta-carotene. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress in the body, reduce inflammation, and support a healthy immune system. Additionally, zucchini is low in fat and cholesterol, making it a suitable food for those watching their fat intake or following a heart-healthy diet. 5. Watermelon. Watermelon belongs to the cucurbitaceae family, which includes other fruits like cantaloupe and honeydew melon. It is believed to have originated in Africa and has been cultivated for thousands of years. Made up of over 90% water, watermelon is a hydrating fruit that can help quench your thirst and keep you feeling refreshed. It is incredibly hydrating and can help replenish fluids in the body, especially during hot summer months or after physical activity. Watermelon is not only low in calories but also low in fat and cholesterol. The vibrant red color of watermelon comes from the presence of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Lycopene has been associated with reducing the risk of certain cancers, protecting against heart disease, and promoting eye health. In addition to lycopene, watermelon is a good source of vitamins A and C, which are essential for healthy immune function, collagen production, and overall well-being. In conclusion, finding delicious foods that contain almost 0 calories is like discovering a culinary treasure trove. Whether you're aiming to lose weight, maintain a balanced diet, or simply make healthier choices, these foods provide a guilt-free way to enjoy delicious flavors while nourishing your body. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be bland or restrictive. With these delicious foods at your disposal, you can savor the flavors and relish in the fact that you're making smart choices for your well-being. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Take care and stay healthy.